Hello everyone. In this video we will study about the last two possibilities in the topic calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now this is the case number 5 when old partners surrender or sacrifice a fraction of their share in favor of new partner. We can understand this case with the help of a question, and this is the question number 8b. In this question, A and B share profits in the ratio of 3:2. They agree to admit C on the condition that A will sacrifice 3/20th of his share of profit in favor of C, and B will sacrifice 1/20th of his profits in favor of C. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now if we brief up the question, now in this question we have the information. There are two partners A and B. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. C is admitted as a new partner. A will sacrifice 3/20th of his share and B will sacrifice 1/20th of his share in favor of C. Now the most important part in this type of question is, in this type of question the new partner share will not be given, and whatever the sacrifice made by old partners in favor of C, the total of that sacrifice will be the new partner's share. And while solving the question, the way of presentation will be the same. First of all, we will calculate sacrifice of the old partners. As per the given information, A will sacrifice 3/20th of his share. That means A's sacrifice is equal to 3/20th of his share, and his share stands for A share 3/5. So that's why 3/20th of 3/5, it is 9/100. B sacrifice 1/20th of his share. That means 1/20th of B share, and B share is 2/5. That means 2/100. If we want to know that what is the sacrificing ratio, then here the sacrificing ratio will be 9:2, because sacrificing ratio is the ratio of sacrifice. Just like before, now we will find out the old partner's new share by subtracting their sacrificing share from their old share. That's why A's new share is equal to A's old share 3/5 minus A's sacrifice 9/100. 3/5 minus 9/100. 100 will be the LCM, and 60 minus 9, it will be 51 divided by 100. In the same way, B's new share, B's old share is 2/5. B's sacrifice is 2/100. So 2/5 minus 2/100, it will be 38 divided by 100. Now C's share. For the C share, we will add whatever the sacrifice made by A and B in favor of C. Here A's sacrifice in favor of C is 9/100. B's sacrifice in favor of C is 2/100. That's why C share is 9/100 plus 2/100, it is 11/100. Hence the new profit sharing ratio is 51, 38 and 11. So 51 is to 38 is to 11, it will be the new profit sharing ratio. Now the last possibility in the calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio is, this is the case number 6, when old partners change their future ratio at the time of admission. This is the last possibility when old partners change their future ratio. जब old partner अपने future ratio को change कर लेते हैं at the time of admission. This we can understand with the help of a question, and this is the question number 17th A part. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. C is admitted for 1/5 share. A and B decided to share equally in future. A and B's old ratio is 4:3. Now at the time of admission, A and B decided to share future profit equally. Calculate the new ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Now if you brief up the question, in this question we have two partners A and B. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. C is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share in profit, and at the time of C's admission, A and B decides to share equally in future. So this is the case number 6, when old partner change their future ratio at the time of admission, and in this case A and B decided to share equally in future. So this is the question in which there are two partners A and B. 4:3 is their profit sharing ratio. C is admitted for 1/5 share in profit, and A and B decided to share equally in future. Now this case is just like the case 1, in which there is no information about new partner except his share. In this case also there is no information about new partner except his share. That's why we will solve this question just like the case number 1, in which first of all we will assume total share 1. Here total share means share of all the partners A, B and C. New partner, that is C share, is given 1/5. Now we will find out remaining share by subtracting new partner share from the total share. That means 1 minus 1/5, it is 4/5, and now this 4/5 represents to the share of A and B. Now if this information is not given in the question, A and B decided to share equally in future, if it is not mentioned in the question, then it will be assumed that A and B old ratio will be their future ratio, and in that case we will distribute this remaining part in their old ratio. But now in this case we have the future ratio of old partners, that is 1:1. That's why we will distribute the remaining share which belongs to A and B in their future ratio, that is equally means 1:1. Here 1:1 means 1/2 and 1/2. Therefore A's new share 1/2 of 4/5, that means 4/10. In the same way B's new share 1/2 of 4/5, that means 4/10. C share is already given in the question 1/5. To make the LCM 10, we will multiply this fraction by 2, that is 2/10. Therefore the new profit sharing ratio will be 4:4:2, or we can say that 2:2:1. Now to find out the sacrificing ratio, we will apply the formula old ratio minus new ratio. Here A's old ratio is 4/7 and B's old ratio is 3/7. Their new ratio 2/5 and B also 2/5. Therefore A sacrifice old 4/7 minus new 2/5. B sacrifice old 3/7 minus new 2/5. It will be 6/31 and 6/35 and 1/35. So the sacrificing ratio will be 6:1. This is the only case in which without calculation of new profit sharing ratio, and after that without applying the formula of sacrificing ratio, we can't say anything about the sacrificing ratio of the old partners. In this case, if we want to find out the sacrificing ratio, first of all we have to calculate new ratio. Then by applying the formula of sacrificing ratio, we will come to know that what is the sacrificing ratio of the old partners.